Right, you guys, we have something very special for you today. It's a Steve Aoki Diamond Vault mystery box from TCGplayer.com. And I have Damon here who's going to be
Hello,
opening
guys.
this box today and showing us what's inside of it.
Well, besides, the packaging, which they did a very fine job on.
I think that's a playmat.
It is, and let's see what it is. It's a TCG Steve Aoki playmat.
Nice.
Nice. Put it off to the side here.
Yeah.
And then a Steve Aoki t-shirt.
Is it signed or was it worn by him or something?
No clue. It just says it's collection, so I assume it's from a warehouse. And then a little card house, and it looks to be another like shirt or something.
What's the card house?
All right, let's pull it out and see.
Yeah, I like how he put his business card in a top saver.
That's actually kind of funny. All right, let's see what the Aoki card is. A certificate of
Authenticity.
Yeah. And it even has a signature.
Nice.
And there's the front end of it for you guys. And let's just pull this out just to see what it is. I believe it's a shirt or something.
Looks like a hoodie.
Might be. Trying to get it all out though. Yeah, it looks like a hoodie. It is.
Okay.
So
Well, that looks
nice
dope.
hoodie.
Does it literally just say dope all over it?
Yeah.
That's funny. I was like, that's dope. Wait a second.
Alrighty. And now onto the big guns. Oh, let's seriously secure this. Yeah. Alright. And a Bluetooth speaker.
Okay.
A Neon 150 by NOS.
All right.
Alrighty.
Now these should be some cards.
Yeah, it's a personal Steve Aoki box.
Need some scissors?
Nah. Surprisingly easy to get out, just really well packaged. Alright, here's the Steve Aoki box. Made, and it is from TCG Player, and by himself. And there's the back. And that's the inside. And we have a little letter here showing that.
Mythical Mystery Box.
Alright.
Is that a PSA 9 Blastoise?
PSA 6.
I got a PSA
Oh.
8 already. So we got a PSA 6 Blastoise from Steve
And
Aoki.
then a PSA 9 Shadowless Charmeleon.
Nice.
Then a Jungle 9 Goldeen. And then a first edition Gym Challenge Giovanni's Nidorina.
Nice.
And it's a 9. And then just another little key tag.
Nice. Do you want to put that back in the box? Or is
Yeah.
there more in it?
No, there's more.
Okay.
Yeah, that slid off.
That's okay. They're in indestructible cases for a reason.
Never mind. That is the end of it.
Okay.
Thought he had it packaged under for something even more important. And just pull this out just to see. And that's the remainder on the inside of the box.
Okay. Let's put those bad babies back in there. Now, before we go, I want Damon to show you guys some of the cards that I got today that are really cool.
Just getting these back inside here. And this neat little box.
Now, it would have been cooler if that was a shadowless Blastoise.
Oh yeah, definitely. And then, today, he got in some Dedenne GXs, about 10 of them, and then some vending Japanese card listings to show the set release.
What year are those from, Damon?
If I remember right, I believe like 1999, somewhere around there.
1996.
Oof.
Before the card game was even released in Japan. Before
wow.
base set was released.
Wow, that's very special.
Yep, and there's only 10 of, I think there's only like 10 of them in a PSA case anywhere.
Nice.
Yeah. Well, that's all, folks.
See you guys next time.
Yep, see you next time.